Hey y'all, so today we're going to be making okra gel for moisture, nourishment, and hair growth. I cannot believe I am trying all these DIY recipes and they are coming out so bomb. So basically I bought some okra from my local supermarket, and the first thing that you want to do is rinse your okra off. You also want to cut off the ends of the okra because you really don't need those parts. After you do that, you want to start grating the okra. Honestly, with this part you can either grate it or you can cut it up, whichever way you like. I found that a lot of people were grating the okra and soaking it in water, so I just went ahead and grated mine. So to let the okra soak and thicken up, you want to place it in maybe a mason jar, or if you have a bowl that you are not going to need for the next day or two. And I poured about 3.5 cups in the mason jar. The next day, I did realize that the water was still a little bit on the runny side. It wasn't as thick yet. So I went ahead and I did cut up some more pieces of okra to put in the water to let it soak. And that allowed me to get the consistency that I needed for it to be nice and thick and have that nice gel consistency. And to strain the okra, I went ahead and used a cheesecloth. Y'all, this okra gel, I had to do a test patch for TikTok, but look at my curls. Look at my curls. And look at how slack. This is crazy. Oh my God, I can't believe it worked. I cannot believe it worked. We're gonna go ahead and apply this okra gel to the rest of my head. I definitely need to take my time because the tangles, oof. It's serious. I think I'm gonna twist the section that I'm done with. And I just went ahead and finger detangled, and I'm gonna do that to the rest of my hair. I think I might want to sit down because I feel like this process might take a little bit longer, only because I feel like detangling after a wash and go definitely takes some time. So let me get my chair to sit down. I would say overall, using the okra gel was really interesting. It is definitely slimy, but I enjoyed how it eased my wash day and pretty much melted my tangles. The only reason why this process took a little bit longer is because I did a wash and go previously, so my ends needed some extra TLC. And I did have a bit of tangles, but I didn't have much shedding and unnecessary breakage, which is great. The consistency is nothing compared to flaxseed gel. I would say it's a little bit thinner compared to flaxseed gel, and it creates a lot of gel. So next time I probably will minimize the amount of water that I put in the mason jar, but it's honestly not bad because sometimes I don't mind having leftovers, so that way next wash day I don't have to create a new batch of my pre-poo. It does have a strong smell of okra, so if you are somebody who doesn't like okra, doesn't like the way it smells, doesn't like the sliminess, I totally get you. Me personally, I will never eat okra in my life. And the smell is not the best, especially if you are super sensitive to smells. This is probably not for you, but I can definitely see the okra gel being used as a gel though. That would be really cool because the way it defined my hair was bomb. But anywho, I really enjoyed it, and I will definitely have to revisit the okra gel again because I want to see which one I prefer, flaxseed gel or okra gel. But you let me know if this is something that you would try. If you did try it, let me know how it worked for you, or which one would you prefer, flaxseed gel or okra gel if you had to choose.